Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on copying the link of your YouTube channel or any other YouTube link on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the YouTube app and head over to your channel. Tap on the Options button, which looks like 3 dots at the top right of the screen. Select Share. Now just choose Copy Link to save the URL to your clipboard, or you can send the channel URL directly via social media. When your link is saved in the clipboard, you can paste it anywhere you would like. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more YouTube tips and tricks.